Today we're looking into the story of Bubbles, the famous chimpanzee once owned by Michael Jackson. Known for being one of the most unusual companions in celebrity history, Bubbles became a global curiosity during Jackson's peak years. But after disappearing from the spotlight, many people have wondered, where is Bubbles the chimpanzee now? Let's find out. Bubbles was adopted by Michael Jackson in the early 1980s and quickly became part of his public image. The chimpanzee traveled with him, appeared in photos, and even lived at the famous Neverland Ranch. For a time, Bubbles was treated almost like a member of the family, dining at tables and interacting closely with humans. However, as Bubbles grew older, his behavior became more difficult to manage. Chimpanzees are extremely strong and can become unpredictable in adulthood, which made it unsafe for him to continue living in a domestic environment. Because of this, Bubbles was eventually relocated to a more suitable setting. So, where is Bubbles now? As of today, Bubbles is alive and living at the Center for Great Apes in Florida, USA. He's been there for many years, where he receives specialized care in an environment designed for chimpanzees. At the sanctuary, Bubbles lives a much more natural life. He socializes with other chimpanzees, spends time climbing, resting, and exploring, receives proper nutrition and medical care. Now in his 40s, Bubbles is considered an older chimpanzee and is said to be doing well under professional care. While he no longer lives the unusual celebrity lifestyle he once had, his current environment is far better suited to his needs as a wild animal. From traveling the world with one of the biggest stars in history to living peacefully in a sanctuary, Bubbles' story is one of transition from fame to a more natural and stable life. Thanks for watching. If you want more unique stories like this and updates on fascinating figures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.